Today's agenda, the National Assembly's first extraordinary session, is packed with urgent and substantive legal matters, as well as a tight coordination between lawmakers and relevant ministries to ensure effective execution and enforcement of new legislatures. Our reporter Mike Heng has more details from the National Assembly House.
This morning, the National Assembly will hear reports on the draft law on urban development, along with amendments to 10 laws on administrative procedures and business conditions in agriculture and the environment, and amendments to the laws on radio frequency, telecommunications, electronic transactions, and technology transfer. In the afternoon, the National Assembly will discuss a resolution on special mechanisms to address bottlenecks in APEC 2027 infrastructure projects in Fuguok Special Zone of Anzang Province, with the Minister of Finance responding to deputies' questions. Lawmakers will also discuss a resolution on special mechanisms to handle violations related to the state and private economic sectors and to science, technology, innovation, and digital transformation, with the Minister of Public Security addressing deputies' concerns. We will be keeping you updated with the proceedings of the first extraordinary session in our following bulletins. Mai Khanh reporting for Vietnam Today.